14 facts you learned in school that are no longer true. 1. Dinosaurs are not actually extinct, because modern birds are the direct descendants of these ancient creatures. 2. The myth that we only use 10% of our brains is false, as brain scans show activity throughout the entire organ even during rest. 3. There are more than 3 states of matter, since plasma is a common state in the universe, and scientists have also created the Bose-Einstein condensate. 4. Thomas Edison did not invent the light bulb, as he merely developed a more practical version of prototypes created by earlier inventors. 5. Your tongue does not have a taste map, because the receptors for different flavors are actually distributed evenly across the entire surface. 6. Napoleon Bonaparte was not actually short, as he was of average height for his era, but was often depicted as small in political cartoons. 7. A swallowed piece of gum does not take 7 years to digest, since it typically passes through the human digestive system within a week. 8. Women suspected of being witches were not burned at the stake in Salem, because the historical tradition in that colony was hanging rather than burning. 9. Dinosaurs did not look like big lizards, as many species actually possessed colorful feathers, which researchers have identified through fossilized structures. 10. It is not impossible to fold a piece of paper more than 7 times, as demonstrated by individuals who successfully folded much larger sheets. 11. Your blood is never blue, because it remains red even when oxygen is depleted, though it may appear blue through the skin due to light distortion. 12. George Washington did not have wooden teeth, but instead used dentures made from materials like ivory, gold, and lead. 13. Columbus did not discover the Americas, since indigenous people lived there for millennia, and Viking explorers had reached the continent much earlier. 14. Humans have more than 5 senses, as we also possess mechanisms like proprioception, which allows us to understand our body's position in space.